Namaste children. Hope you have finished your jar with the drawing and coloring, or maybe it's little bit work is incomplete, then also try to complete your work. Today we are going to start a second work, but it's a co-related with your first assignment. So only one thing, when you are doing the work, I need that your last jar, hold it over here and just tick mark this way, which you have finished the jar thickness line. You remember we have done the jar thickness 4 finger, but you have to match both together. Now I start again the lines over here, touching to my paper. I will leave 2 finger distance over here up, 2 finger distance in this corner, 2 finger distance in this corner, and make a nice oval. Last time we have done the shape with the jar. This time we have done a oval with the same measurement stand. What is this? This is a mirror. Come on, look into the mirror. You can see your face. Yes. So now observe your face and try to draw your face. How you look like. Come on. You have to leave some part for the forehead. Draw eyebrow, your eyes, nose, and smile. So when you are doing your face, how you will look like, as I told you, first you will measure the 4 fingers, same measurement jar, draw big oval. You can do a different hairstyle. If my hairs are open, I will do this way. I will draw the wavy lines. I draw the eyebrows. Smile. When I draw the eyes, if I look this side, I will draw this way. For the nose, I can draw the straight line, curved line, 2 semicircle both the side. For the lips, V with the mustache effect, and the U for the smile. This is a way I can do. Then if I am wearing or goggles or specs, show yourself perfectly. If you are listening the music, So draw like this way. Even you can draw for the background. If you're art lover, show the color splash. If you're music lover, please draw the musical instruments. If you're sports lover, please draw the sports related symbolic drawings surrounding your mirror. Your hairstyle, your extra activities, your face, eyebrow. Hope you understood perfectly. Now I will outline to my face. Complete face in your mirror. As you have a curly hair, you can show the cloudy effect and show your curly hair. If you're wavy hair, now as usual, first remove your unwanted lines, clear the path. Keep in mind your mirror and your jar thickness should be the same. It should be parallel to each other. As I am music lover, so I will draw guitar, I love sports. I loves to paint. Now when you start the coloring, keep in your mind you are not going to color inside your eyes. This portion, try to leave it white without fade. You can use your crayons. For the face, only one color, or you can utilize the 3 different shades on your face like a portrait style. Is a light skin color, buff color, and deep chrome yellow color. The 3 shades you are going to utilize for your face. You can start with any one. If you want to use only 2 shades, so you can use only the 2 shades, one dark and light. Single color with the light tone, dark tone effect, then also no problem. Again dark mix. Now your light skin color tone. I've used the 3 shades. In the jar you use the brush paints. On the face you use the crayons, mixed media techniques. For the hair I use brown, Van Dyke brown, ochre yellow, 3-4 shades of brown tones with a little bit touch of black. For the hair, black, brown, Van Dyke brown, sandy brown. Just give the strokes and try to merge. Now when you're coloring this everything, one more thing I want to inform you that you remember last time we have done the jar and the same measurement we have done. Now this is the time to join. Now what I will do, I will join now this paper and this paper. You remember last time we have done, hope you are finished with the coloring. You will stick this paper with this paper perfectly. Use the glue to stick perfectly. Draw the border line with the equal thickness so it will not go cross. Use Fevicol. Try to utilize your first paper and this paper perfectly. Now you can see it's a big portrait. Now you will join perfectly if it is not matched. What I will do, I will continue my hair till this shoulder. Same color continue. If you are a boy, your hairs are not coming till the ear. So what you supposed to do it? You supposed to color the background with the 3 effects. It's dark purple, light purple, dark blue, light blue, red, orange and yellow. So any color, whatever you are going to use, please try to use with the 3 different shades. How you will use? You will use dark purple, light purple and grey rose. So if I use a dark purple touching to my neck or touching to my hair. If you are a boy, so definitely your hairs are not coming down, so you will touching to your neck, you will do it. Dark purple, dark 2, light, and like this way you will go with the round textures effect. The light, make this both the shades perfectly. And grey rose, light tones. After some part, if I feel like to change the color, same way, technique will be the same. I will mix with the Persian blue, merge it together. I will use Persian blue, again light, Persian blue, then you can use cobalt blue or brilliant blue. Mix with the sky blue. Three shades. Continue. You want to do some lines, you want to do textures. Maroon, I've used maroon color. After maroon, it's red, orange, give pressure and try to cover the all white space. I show you all the techniques in few parts. Hope you will understand and you will do it nicely. You can utilize only one color and complete. You can utilize one color over here, different color from both the side you can complete. After few parts you can change the color and complete. All the thing is very perfect. Same way you complete your neck coloring whichever you have taken for the top. Buff color, so now you will come to know I have told you not to color in the three parts. Deep chrome yellow. Before you do the deep chrome yellow and everything, if you have done the cross line like me, so please try to remove. Hope you like the assignments. Do it beautiful way. Have a nice day. Have a great day. I've shown few samples of last year students work also. Please try to observe. Thank you.